Hey there, welcome to Scott UG. My name is Scott and I'm going to take you through how you can verify your address using the Google AdSense bin. So I know by the time you're watching this, you could be maybe seeing something on your channel, or you have requested for a pin, it's not yet there. So I want to take you through a few steps and a few things which you need to know about this, or the whole of it. Okay, I made a video previously on how to and I told you all about what this pin is. So today I want to show you how you can use it and verify your account so that you can cash out with Google using your bank account. All you need to do is to go to google.com/AdSense. Simple. You just need to type in Google and then you slash it with AdSense. Okay, simple. Like that, and then your browser loads. My internet is kind of slow, but you can do this. So then you click this and then you select sign in. Because me I already have an account, and I'm going to show you what you need to do about this. So you have this query that you have less than 1 month to verify a pin, otherwise your units will stop displaying. Now this thing is all about, like, they will send you a mail when you reach the minimum threshold, the minimum value required for you to be paid. Okay, and when you reach that level, they will email you, but depends on where the email can take longer or can come very fast. So it depends on the situation and the mailing company you use. However, most preferably in my country, it always takes between 2 months to 3 months for that mail to arrive. So, and yeah, that's it. All you need to know. So all you need to do is to type in here. All you need to do is to click verify. Okay, so to verify, remember, you type in verify and it will bring that you enter the 6-digit pin. So in my previous video, I explained to you the pin, I showed the pin, I described the mail, how it looks like and everything. But if you never happen to watch it, don't forget to watch it, and you can try to go through. Okay, so this is what we are doing. Let's enter the pin. Okay, but before you enter the pin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel by pressing just the subscription button over here, or you can search Scott UG and then you subscribe. Your subscription is a way to motivate me and bring you more. So as well, don't forget to leave a comment for me in the description box of this video. I'll be grateful to reply to you very, very, very fast. So let's do it. And how about if I enter the pin? Okay, let me enter the pin. Okay, let me enter the pin. The pin is just quite easy. It's like that. And now what you need to do is to click submit. Okay, you click submit. Now before you submit, there's an attempt, like when you've not received your pin for the time being, but it's hard to do that. It's hard for that to happen. Okay, but at the moment when you don't fail to get that pin, or when the mail takes longer, or they mailed you and never picked it, or they returned it back. So there are many things pertaining that. So let me submit the pin. Wow, your billing address has been verified. I hope you can see that. And right now, all you need to do is to hold on and wait. So whenever that amount, whenever you reach the amount which is required to be paid out, or is Google will pay you out. So with that, I remain Scott UG. God bless.